Everything starts with the need to hit the road how it used to be. But as I left my Vespas so far away, the question was, how can I get one? Indeed, the answer was quite easy. Being passionate about Vespas, plus working in one of the biggest scooter shops in the world, surrounded by lots of technical know-how. The result was only one: build it on my own. The idea was shared and accepted. That brings us here. Will you join us? What to choose when you have all the possible options? Well, that was a task for the experts. They recommend me just the best. And once you get all you need, you can make a dream come true. Now, to build it.
Exótica.
In the search of perfection, a true improvement is more than the sum of its parts. Going from the standard to the upgraded. And to describe her heart, this heart, we want to include the special features. She has to be exceptional from the start. Early pulling power and a very broad power band. With the advanced timing. Designed for perfect inlet port openings. Discreet and even more superior. Power delivery over the complete rev range. Stable under all circumstances. Optimized fuel supply for the high demands of strongly modified engines. With 177 reasons that make your horses going, I'm convinced that a good story begins with the heart, but a platonic love starts with an igniting moment. And now, all kinds of parts were used in the Platónika project. New BGM developments for old scooters filled her heart. The last surviving element production became the body. And Moto Nostra supplied the eyes that will see beyond. But the time to revive the soul of the Vespa has come.
She's alive! Alive!
But this was not an enlightening circumstance. The horsepower, still to be confirmed, has brought her to life through all the connections made. In the right order, in the right place. To ignite the spark of life, to stop the waiting, and finally start the fun. Was needed just one look to realize that perfection is in the details.
Perfect. One hit and strike.
When we put our feet on the floor every morning, when we tie well those boots, and get ready to ride, when we come back home with a great story to tell, when we fly on two wheels, just lifting our feet. It's when we decide that this will not stop. After the very first kick, the happy results on the time. All her paperwork. And my paperwork with some nice surprises.
So, die Maryzabel hat gerade ihren Führerschein, ihren deutschen Führerschein fürs Motorrad bestanden und ja, Julia und ich, wir gehen jetzt einsammeln und die weiß nämlich auch gar nicht von ihrem Glück, dass Platónika nämlich fahrfertig und zugelassen ist, wir die damit jetzt abholen gehen. Viel Spaß!
Be the funky brother with the rhymes of love.
She was ready, and so I am. So, what will be our next destination?